Thank you very much, Jamie. So I'm here today to talk to you about the Innovation Accelerator within the Department of Surgery. And you say, well, we're not the Mayo Clinic Business Accelerator, but we've got a bit of a different function here. And so the overall goal of the Innovation Accelerator is to leverage innovation to solidify Mayo Clinic's position as a destination medical and surgical practice, really through accelerated prototyping and testing of devices that address key unmet patient needs. And so our model is pretty straightforward and simple, right? So we engage staff, and that includes allied health staff and clinical staff and research staff at Mayo to identify critical unmet needs, right? We identify those solutions with the greatest impact. We've got a little bit of a different model system. Admittedly, Mayo Clinic Ventures will say, well, how big is the return on it? And a lot of times, that'll just close the door for you right there if it's a small population. For us, we say, is it actually a really meaningful question, regardless of the market size? We accelerate development of devices by partnering with external contract research organizations, so we can do things very rapidly and with a great deal of quality. And we protect our inventors' rights to intellectual property, so we really don't try to dilute any intellectual property, and we're pretty successful in protecting that. And ultimately, we facilitate efforts to commercialize technologies, and so we try to do our best to take the frustration out of innovation within the institution. So, our fundamental process is really it's run through 12-week cycles where we identify projects. We meet with the inventors and discuss and refine their idea a little bit with some of our external partners. We send it out to the external contract research organizations, get the product back in under 12 weeks, and if there's still time left and money left, then we evaluate the prototype, iterate on that again, and ultimately just go around in this cycle to improve upon a prototype in a very short period of time. We've done a number of projects so far. And again, these are all very high quality prototypes and functional prototypes that come out at the end. And so really, I would say if you have an idea for an unmet to address an unmet clinical or surgical need, call either myself or call Erica Ross or send us an email. We'd be happy to talk about it, do whatever we can to accelerate it. We do have some funding to help support our process, so it's not as though you say, well, I've got a great idea, and we say, well, great, give us some money, right? We actually try to do our best to identify ways to get things moving and get things done. So with that, I would be happy to take any questions that you have. All right.